this week's semifinalists have made it into the top 10. The ultimate winner will be all heading... What?
Okay, you guys. Pickle, I'm trying to record.
Thank you so much.
Where did Pickle go?
And I'm kind of embarrassed, to be honest, because I saw tonight with the auditions for what I thought on that. You are doing... No.
Y'all just gonna have to hold me on live TV?
I'm here to tell you, you are doing phenomenal. You are great at this. Great success.
Oh, thank you.
You're the best.
You're worthy. I mean, so much coming from you. Why don't you take it from here, sir?
Okay, well, I'll tell you, we've got, you got the...
Bouncy.
National tour coming
Give me the bouncy.
It's a live stage show.
Give me the bouncy.
Winner and your favorite act. Now, I'll be hosting, and we start in Oakland, California on October 1st. Then we play 24 more cities all across the country. We're coming to a city near you, and we'll be playing Caesar's Palace in Las Vegas. It's going to be a fantastic show. I promise you that. And also, I promise I won't sing. Well, maybe a little bit. Okay.
Hey, well, that sounds amazing. For tickets, dates, and everything you need to know, go to NBC.com/AGT. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mr. Jerry Springer. Way to keep me on my toes. Okay, 2 spots left in the top 10. One of these acts we'll be going through. Please come and join me on stage. Hasbot, Jackie Evancho, and Maestro Alexander Bowie.
A little bit over my head. I agree. I think it's amazing. You know, you did well.
Avant, comme Canadien, avant que votre premier, c'était peut-être un truc.
Oh, what are you doing? Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, chippa. Oh, you want to grab me? Oh. Ah, okay, we're done. Bye-bye.